Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best starter toolkits that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Stanley 942486 5-piece Homeowner's Toolkit. The quality of each individual tool was the best in this Stanley kit. While its molded case does not have space for additional tools, it held the tools that the kit comes with relatively well. This kit includes all of the tools that you'll need for many basic and intermediate home repairs, and the limited 1-year warranty provided for the kit is among the best we were able to find. I never felt strongly about hammers before writing this guide. However, the one included in the Stanley kit convinced me that a good hammer can make a big difference when you're working on a repair or building something new. The grip on the Stanley hammer was the most comfortable out of all the hammers tested for this guide. I felt like the force of my strikes were actually being directed onto the nail, rather than bouncing off of it. While it isn't one of Stanley's popular Fatmax tape measures, the one that comes in the kit is good quality. The Stanley's level, with its magnet and fine build quality, was one of the best I encountered while writing this guide. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Cartman 148-piece tool set. This set came with everything we were looking for, with the exception of a level. In addition to nailing all but one of the basics, the Cartman kit comes with a nice bonus: 9 sockets designed to work with the kit's interchangeable screwdriver handle. The handles on the 2 dedicated screwdrivers, a slot head and a Phillips, were just as comfortable to hold as the interchangeable screwdriver. The grip on the Cartman hammer felt comfortable, and in use, the hammer made me feel that the force of each blow was being directed downward instead of vibrating up into my arm. Additionally, the small roll of electrical tape and a box full of nails and screws included in the kit allows you to start working right away, avoiding an extra trip to the store for supplies. The tool quality in this kit was slightly lower than that of the others tested for this guide. The needle nose pliers, for example, were sticky to open, and the box cutter felt flimsy. However, considering that this kit can be found at almost half the price of the others in this roundup, the lower quality of tools, which are still highly functional, feels like a reasonable compromise. The price of the Cartman tends to fluctuate, often, so keep an eye out as it can sometimes be had for as low as $25. The Apollo DT9408 is comparable to the Cartman in price, but lacks a number of the tools that the Cartman comes with. At number 3, we have the Workpro W009036A 156-piece home repair tool set. One of my biggest complaints about pre-assembled toolkits doesn't always concern the tools included in the kit. Rather, it's the plastic cases that the kits sometimes come packed in. Many cases can be aggravating to snap tools into and even once the tools have been returned to their spot. I'm often infuriated when I try to close the kit, only to have a number of seemingly secure tools fall out of their designated spots. The Workpro W009036A avoids all of this by packaging its tools in a tool bag. This ensures that your tools are secure and, as a bonus, that you'll have the extra space in the bag to store new tools in you may buy over time as required. The W009036A's interchangeable head screwdriver, for example, comes with a large variety of common screwdriver heads such as Robertson, slotted, and Phillips, along with less common tips designed for working with security screws in various sizes. Some of the common heads come with multiples of the same type and size, a generous bonus should they become stripped from frequent use. The kit's box cutter comes with 10 extra blades, and the tool bag feels durable. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics 65-piece Home Basic Repair Toolkit. The quality of the tools in the Amazon Basics kit was merely passable, with the exception of the tape measure. It was one of my favorite tested for this guide as it comes with an auto lock. I was unimpressed with the thin handle on the pliers, which made them uncomfortable to use. Additionally, the bag fabric on the inside felt like tissue paper. Given its price, you'd be better served by our main or budget pick. The kit includes a tool bag with a carrying strap, a 16-piece Allen wrench set, a 13-ounce hammer, an auto-locking 16-foot tape measure, a torpedo level, utility knife, 2 sets of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a slot head screwdriver, an interchangeable head screwdriver with a 30-piece bit set, and a ratchet with 8 sockets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Workpro W009021A 100-piece kitchen drawer home tool kit. This set from Workpro gives the impression that the designer intended it to be tucked away in a kitchen junk drawer and ignored until it's needed. The zippered case that comes with the kit uses elastics to tuck each tool away in a soft-sided case. Unfortunately, the tools are of poorer quality than the other Workpro set featured in this guide. The hammer is quite light. I needed more strikes to drive in a nail than I did with the Stanley kit's hammer. I also disliked that the kit's screwdriver had a handle with a flat bottom, making it hard to push down on and turn. This toolkit is contained in a tool bag and includes 2 sets of pliers, an adjustable wrench, an 8-ounce claw hammer, 4 precision screwdrivers, a 10-foot tape measure, 40 cable ties, a snap-off knife with 10 replacement blades, a torpedo level, an 8-piece set of hex keys, a center changeable head screwdriver with 20 bits and 9 sockets. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.